Yo, what's up everyone? This is Real Talk Darbs at gusto ko lamang magbigay ng testimonial kay Cap. I have been his client for a couple of months now, and the reason bakit ako nag-say yes kay Cap is because of his undeniable experience, 20 years. Actually, hindi lang din ang experience it's just how Cap carry himself. Tama talaga yung quiet confidence in a sense na Cap is basically able to give me the confidence na the products and services na kukunin ko sa kanya will be delivered, and he makes sure talaga that it is delivered professionally. So I love the fact that Cap communicates very well. Napaka-professional niya din katrabaho, and definitely that's one of the major reasons why I will definitely work with him. Cap has been very instrumental sa upcoming products na gagawin namin. So secret muna yan, hindi ko muna sasabihin, but you will see soon yung product na yon. And definitely I would recommend Cap any day of the week. So thank you very much, Cap. Real Talk Darbs approved ka.